At its core stands the spine, not merely a structural component but a sacred conduit, bridging the material and spiritual realms. Extending from the base of the skull to the coccyx, comprised of 33 segments, it's not merely a physical entity, it's a conduit for something greater, guarding the essence of our vitality. The spinal cord, the very source of our life force. In the realm of symbolism, the spine is akin to Jacob's ladder, that celestial stairway bridging earth and heaven, with angels traversing as rungs.